what's going on, guys? So today let's welcome our new item, the legendary Mist Shatter. So yeah, it has 27 luck on its main part, and I didn't work on the bonus part. I just got it for like 15 views, and I think it's worth it. And okay, so basically this video I gonna do some bonus cubing on this stuff. And I think the score on this one is pretty shit, but it doesn't affect it a lot. Well, perfectly later sometimes, but not today. So yeah, in this video we just gonna do some bonus cubing. So, yeah, let's go to the shop. More cubes. Got pack 11 cubes. Okay, let's hope at least we can get 4% luck or something stuff like that. Or attack. I like attacks. Okay, yeah. Cool. First one. Oh, I forgot my chairs. That's not good. Chairs. Maybe this one. Oh, sorry. There's some trouble with. Okay. Back. Whoa! 2 cubes to epic. That was. Oh shit! I would say. Pretty lucky. Wow. Wow, that's not bad. Attack and luck, but yeah, never mind. We'll keep going. Oh. Back to trivial. Nope. No. Anything good? What the fuck? 6 cubes to unique. Oh shit. God. So can I get a legendary? Legendary. Alright. 4 cubes left. Nope. Got nothing. Still nothing. Oh, I only got 2 more cubes. I don't know. Maybe I was okay. 5% luck. Should I keep going or just let it be? Actually, yeah, most of my items are pretty down. I mean, yeah, those stuffs, but this one, I don't know, 5% is not so bad. Never mind. Yeah, it's okay, cause at least we have unique tier here, so yeah, just come on, last one. Oh, 8% inked. What the hell? So actually not bad. I'm pretty satisfied because you might see some of my older videos that I used like almost 22 bonus cubes, and I still can't get it to like epic. Yeah, in some of my old stuffs, I remember it's this ring, and I don't know, something else. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. I gonna definitely recoup this because 8 inked and no lines of useful. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. Okay, so see you next week.